Hey guys, this is Lucy, and in this video I am going to show you how to reset your Visual Studio Code. First, open your Visual Studio Code in your laptop and click on the little gear icon in the left bottom corner. Then go to settings. So here you will need to click on this icon which says open settings bracket JSON. What you need to do is select all the elements inside this curly bracket and delete them. So make sure you save this. So there is another shortcut key which is Ctrl+Shift+P, and here you need to write open settings JSON. So you need to click the open user settings one and it will bring you to the same file. What else you can do is that you can run a command and type this. So type this and click on enter. It will bring you to this file and you need to click on the settings.json file, right click on it and open with Notepad. So it will bring you to the same file that we had opened earlier. So if here are any elements, select all of them and delete it, and keep these curly brackets and make sure you save this file in your PC. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.